We'll guide you through how to add sound effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and ensure you're in the EDD page, where you can see your timeline at the bottom. To add sound effects, you'll need to import them first. Go to the Media Pool section, usually located in the upper left corner, and right-click to choose Import Media. Navigate to where your sound effects are stored, and select the ones you want to use. Click Open to import them into your project. Once your sound effects are in the Media Pool, you can drag and drop them directly onto your timeline. To do this, click and hold on the sound effect you want, then drag it down to your audio tracks in the timeline. Place it under the video clip where you want the effect to play. You can adjust the timing by dragging it left or right, and you can also trim the sound effect by clicking on its edges and dragging. If the sound effect is too loud or too soft, you can adjust its volume by selecting the audio clip in the timeline, and then going to the inspector panel on the right. Here, you can change the volume level to suit your needs. For more precise control, you can right-click the audio clip and choose Open in Fairlight. This opens the audio in the Fairlight page, where you have more tools to fine-tune your sound effects, such as EQ and dynamic control. Remember, adding sound effects can greatly enhance your video, making it more engaging and professional. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.